In front of me is iPhone 17 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto rotation. Since I'm recording tutorials to iOS and Android devices almost every day, I get the same question every time a new iPhone shows up. What's up with auto rotation? That's because, especially if you are switching from an Android to iOS, it can be a bit tricky. Since iOS devices don't actually have auto rotation. Let me explain. When you go into Tap menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen, you will see all of those shortcuts. Now usually when you click on the shortcut and it turns white, that means that something, in my case flashlight, is on. To switch it off, you need to click on the same one until it's gray. But with auto rotation, it's different. That's because iOS devices don't actually have auto rotate screen. What they do have though is lock orientation. Thanks to this icon with a padlock here, the gray one, we can manage it. When you click on it and the padlock closes, turning red, that means that your screen is locked in chosen orientation. So when I go back and rotate it, as you can see, nothing happened. But when I click on the same shortcut again and padlock turns white, my screen orientation is unlocked, so I can rotate it however I want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!